As far as external factors, especially during a winter storm, offenders have more of that opportunity for that abuse to increase.
Now at 10, something you may not think about. Sexual assaults were up during last week's storm.
ABC Big 2's Gian Kim joins us live now, and Gian, experts say stress is a big factor here.
That's right, guys. That added stress could cause abusers to act out, but external factors like the winter storm we just had last week could actually make it more difficult for victims to escape from that abuse as well.
When people are in their home together and the victim cannot get away, then it just creates more of that time and opportunity.
Gabriella Spurger says phones at the crisis center of West Texas rang a bit more than usual. Within a span of less than 2 weeks, they received 11 reports of sexual assault and domestic abuse from Ector County.
Yes, right after the COVID. I mean, everybody's been confined to their house for so long.
Hardy says it's the stress. Many lost jobs and are unable to provide for their family.
So it just makes for just that hectic and turmoil situation.
Spurger says for many abusers, it's the need to regain control. They use many different types of abuse to prey on victims. Experts call it the power and control wheel.
Economic abuse on the victim, or financial or emotional abuse, verbal abuse tend to rise, especially during a winter storm.
The Ector County Sheriff's Office sees about 1 sexual assault case each week. During this past winter storm, they saw 3.
Probably a lot go unreported, especially if it's a spousal issue because it's their husband. They don't want to report it, or their boyfriend.
Now, for more information on how you can seek help, you can find that on our website, yourbasin.com. Reporting live in Odessa, I'm Gian Kim, ABC Big 2 News.
Disturbing there, Gian. Thank you.